Alrighty then. Okay, we got this. Yeah. Alright, today I've just got a little bit of a different setup running. Alright. Alrighty. We're back to the London session. What's up, Change? How's it going? New style, huh, for the monitor? No, Ashish, I'm just using it a little closer. so I get to see my charts a little clearer.
Share screen on Discord.
Oh yeah. One screen share coming on Discord. Ankur, what's good, my friend? Long time no see. Alright, let me know what's popping on YouTube. What's goody, gang? Alright, you can see my charts. Alright, we have GJ. Okay, where can we look it? We'll have to wait. EJ looks a little bit cleaner. Or more clean. For those matter of facts. Alright, gold. There you go. Gold, we're waiting for a closure below this level. Very nice drop on gold, not gonna lie. So we have this previous 4-hourly low over here. Let's see how we react on gold. So we also have this level on gold, which we can buy above. Yo guys, as you're coming, let me know. Back from vacation in Phuket. Oh, crazy. Ankur went for a vacation to Thailand, Phuket. Alright. What's popping off, gang? Say what's up when you enter the chat so we know who's watching today's live stream. Is the previous daily high we're about to break? It's a little bit messed up, but yeah. Like we said, GJ buys will get activated once we break 280. That's how we like it. That's our target range to the right. Once we break above these minor highs over here. Alright, what's popping off? It's Monday. What's good, gang? Euro news at 12:30. Don't think much of it will actually affect the markets, so yeah. Okay, this is all today's news, right? Monday, yeah. So we may have Bank of England's Governor Bailey speech, so yeah. Give me a second, guys. Alright, guys. What is happening? Why is everyone calling me right now? Alright, guys, let's get this. Okay, rejecting GJ now rejecting, which is very interesting. So we have now gone above the weekly resistance, as we see, right? The previous weekly high. What we also need to mark is the weekly open. So we can mark this is the weekly flip. There you go. Okay, knowledge, FX knowledge base. I think gold is bearish today. Gold is bearish today, but it depends on what it shows us in the right time. For me, gold will be bullish if we close above 1920. And yeah, gold is bullish for me. Yeah, you can see the big rejection on the other time frames. Yeah, we'll be breaking above the previous yeah, we'll be breaking above the previous 3-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour highs. So 1921, and I'll be bullish on gold. Just to fill up this clean range. Whatever happens beyond this is not my concern. I just want to fill in this clean range. What do you guys think? For me, that's just my thought process on gold. That's just what I'm looking for. Euro JPY, massive rejection. Massive rejection. So if we break below this level right over here, yeah, I'm just gonna put it out there. Once we break below this level, this 430 level almost, we should continue down. Yeah, 430, and we should continue down. Yeah, Euro JPY below 430, and I'll take this out. Yeah, that would just be a nice quick early entry, an early scalp basically, right? So that would be nice, depending on how we close at London Open. Okay, actually wait, let me just redo my analysis on gold. I feel like too many things are happening. That's a previous monthly high. This is a weekly. Previous monthly resistance. Alright, so as we're looking at it, What is this? Previous monthly and weekly low. Alright, stop that from popping up. Previous monthly and weekly low. We're at a weekly support. Yeah, almost like a daily support region or so over here till 1917,500. So you'll know how dangerous this region is. From 1920 to 1917,500. Yup. Top-down analysis is always useful. UG Hanma. Top-down analysis always gives you perspective. Without perspective, you're basically not doing much at all. And so we have the monthly candle flip right over here. We have the daily level which we've breached, right? We came into this level today after market open, so this would be the daily flip. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we're still waiting to see what price is gonna do. Right, so we have a 4-hour resistance right over here at 1926. 4-hour resistance. There you go. So you see the clean traffic you have towards the left, and now we need to start looking out for 1917,500. So this is a yup Ujiro. I hope I didn't mess that name up. I'm sorry if I did. But yep, even I'm expecting gold to move up in London session, to be honest. So I'll tell you why also. Alright, so wait, what is this? So this is the 2-hour and 4-hour support. Right? We gotta first look at our zones and what we are working with first. At least 1925. Yep, that's what, that's crazy. That's exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So that's what I said. Once this 15-minute candle kind of closes, right, we could expect a nice little move on gold. I'd say I need the 15-minute candle to close above 1922. Exactly, on point. Same calls right over here. Because we can see this big rejection wick, right? And so with the closure above this, we should be able to fill in this range, right? If price does want to continue down, we will have to reject this 4-hour resistance at 1926 to 1925,500. So you'll see that this is our rejection zone, and if we want price to continue down, we need to reject that particular level right over here, right, which is a prominent 1-hour resistance. There you go. But yeah, definitely, like if volume kicks in and price just continues the way it is, then we won't be getting those buys. Euro JPY, I'm still waiting for the break below this level. So these are so let's say where is this? Alright, let's put that and alright, and the next thing is risky sells. Alright, these are your risky sells. These are your safe sells. Alright, on EJ that's your risky sells and that's your safe sells, because you're looking, right, this will be the first break of this market structure with the higher low coming down. This would be the break of the entire previous day's lows, right, formed from literally Asian session to London session. So that's what you would technically look for. Yeah, gold is gonna continue pushing right on up. I think this 30-minute closure above this was the move. Could have definitely got on the break of this high. Moving on up. Beautiful move on gold though. But gold moving with 0 entries. Yeah, that's all for now. Alright, let's look at GJ. 45-minute time frame closure above resistance is what we want to see. Yeah, gold has left everyone behind. All them price action traders waiting for gold. Yeah, see ya, wouldn't wanna be ya. Yo, Gypsy. Are you busy?
A little bit, tell me.
Okay, tell me when you're free. Can you take over the stream for 5 minutes?
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay, so tell me when you're free, you share your screen and I'll put it up. Alright.
Yeah, let me finish my
Awesome.
meeting.
Done, no problem. Alright guys, there's 15 of y'all in the chat. What's poppin'? Alright. What are we talking about? Yo Nathan, what's poppin'?
Yo, how's it going?
What are you up to?
Just looking at GJ's messing out already.
So for this GJ trade, you primarily wait for like this 1 hour
Oh,
closure.
great.
Yeah. So I'm technically on the higher time frame. I want to see this 2 hour time frame close above this level.
Mm.
If this 2 hour time frame closes above this level, the next. So if the 2 hour time frame closes above this level, the next 2 hour time frame has all this clean traffic to continue. So that will give me confidence to take it on the lower time frames also. So yeah, and I've also removed GU from my trading list.
GU?
Yeah, I removed GU. Alright, GJ, come on, let's close above this level. So the problem with GJ is right now this is gonna be part of London Open, alright? So London Open, many times if we've noticed in the last few weeks, we just start pushing with volume and start breaking highs. And so now we need to be cautious and start seeing like where can we take GJ, right? In case we get that impulsive move. But I would say we have to wait for a closure. At least on the 2 hour time frame. I want to see the 2 hour close above this level so we can get that next 2 hour to continue pushing. So again, like I said on what is EJ? Okay. Let's receive this also. Let's just. Alright. This will be risky buys. And this is safe buys. Alright. So why am I saying risky buys and safe buys? It's because over here look at the 1 hour time frame, right? So when you take buys above this level, you straight up run into these two resistances right over here. When you take buys above this level, you don't have anything up till you have basically a clean traffic range up till you reach these levels, right? Which should be around, yeah, let's say 900. So you see what I mean by risky buys and safe buys? Just looking plain and simple at what market is showing you. So yeah, let's see what plays out. Let's wait for this 2 hour to close. Euro JPY is coming down. I really like to see this Euro JPY break this previous low. So on EJ, if it starts moving down before time, I may take a trade at the break of this previous low again, or at 400 when we break down that. 405 is a good level to sell at. Yeah. So once this 15-minute closes and the next 15 minutes starts driving down, I'll probably do that. Come on, guys. Let me know what y'all are looking for. What are y'all looking for? Yeah, that would be breaking the current 4-hour low also to continue down. So I definitely think if this 50-minute closes below this level, we can continue down. Look at that rejection from this zone. Could we expect GJ to drop from this resistance, this key resistance? 17 of y'all in the chat. Firstly, guys, like the stream, okay? If y'all like what you'll see, like the stream. The 17 of y'all. And secondly, tell me, do you think GJ can sell from this level? Oh, EJ is moving. Come on guys, let me know. 161,300. One 161,300. Oh, from that level. You want to sell from this level? Okay, that is interesting. It's possible. For me, I'm just waiting for this Euro JPY engulfing 45-minute to close below this level, or the next 45-minute will be where my stops will be at. So if we make a top wick and then we start breaking these previous bottoms, right? So game point on the website www.dcfx.co.in. Right over here we have the monthly access, so when you join us, this is the bangers only squad. Only after confirmations. If confirmations fail, look for buyers. That's true. That's true. I don't know. Game point, it doesn't work for you? Oh man. Okay, wait, give me a second. Alright, I've put it in the chat. Let me know if it's working. Bunny. Well, we sell EJ, not GJ. Next candle to break below a 15-minute candle. Yes, we sell EJ, not GJ. Yep. EJ is what I'm currently looking at. The 45-minute candle closing, right? With a big rejection from the upside. And the 30-minute candle with its... Okay, and the description is not working. Let me just change that up. I don't know why. Let's go. EJ looks pretty promising. So Dinze, how's your week been? How have you been? Dinze is one of our traders who's now trading with a 100k live account, which is amazing. Yeah, EJ does look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Let's bring magic keys up here. Alright, so let's see how it's 40 my didn't get the 100k yet, but patient. Okay, that's good. So Dinze, so you've passed the 100k challenge, right? Or are you going to do the 100k challenge? Alright. Pass. That's amazing. So then there's not much left to wait for. You're just waiting for your account to come through and then you're done. Alright, come on EJ, let's go. How big will our stops have to be? Oh, even if our stops are 10 pips, that's a good, nice, big, wide stop. So could the market be slow because of the Chinese bank holiday, right? Could it? Around this time, is the Tokyo banks still open? Tokyo. Okay, yeah, relatively open. So market opens in 13 minutes. I really like the way the 45-minute is closing, I'm not gonna lie. Yup. And guys, if you all are wondering why my monitor is pulled out, I just like it a little closer so I can be really precise, you know. And while gaming and stuff, it feels good. And this is just for now, so yeah. Alright, what is GJ doing? Alright, we're gonna wait for GJ to start closing, EJ to start closing. As long as GJ is below this resistance, right? On the 30-minute, and yeah, so we can expect EJ also to continue down as long as GJ is below this resistance, because we're expecting GJ to trade below the resistance. So yeah, focus level maximum. That's how esports players do it in the industry. That is true. That is true, Hanma. So do you also game? Yujiro? I'm just asking because like you spoke about esports, you know. Alright, so we have some form of rejections from the downside. It's Valorant players playing like that. Yeah. For me, this is in this was Joe War from Warzone inspired, and it actually helps so much more, I'm not gonna lie. It actually helps a lot more. But yeah, it's good to see you guys over here grinding. Alright, so there you go, the 45-minute closed that way. No bottom wick just yet. Currently I'm in GU buy target. Okay, wait, let's check those GU buys in a second. 15-minute close that way, the 30-minute. Once we start breaking these previous two 15-minute highs, 30-minute can continue, as this 15-minute candle is going to be the next candle will be the London Open candle. So 45-minute, we've respected that level right over there. Alright, let's see where can we put our stops. Okay, yeah, we can have good 10 pip stops as soon as we break these lows. Okay, so no matter what happens, I'm still waiting for this 1 hour candle to break this previous 1 hour low. Okay, let me just set that trade up on EJ. Let's look at the sell position to come down. I think 400 seems like a pretty decent level. Yeah, I think 400 is pretty good. Alright, so can you see this? Right, this is the 10k challenge. So my stop will be above the previous candle and my sell stop would be below this candle. There you go. That's what we will be expecting. Alright. Okay, let me just check. Is my voice mode active? Okay, barely. Okay. Alright, so there you go. That's my thought process on what I want to see happen and if it's happening. So now if GJ starts breaking above, right, this 15-minute has created the low, and now we may break this previous high, right? Should be around 5 pips, 7 pips. Once we break these previous highs, we should be able to continue up. But again, like I said, I want to see this 2-hour candle close above this level. Until I see candle closures, I am not gonna take this trade. Once I see this 2-hour candle close somewhere here, wherever above this level, I'd be like all for GJ buys. But also the GJ buys will be subjective based on the next 2-hour candle opening, making its bottom wick and flipping up to continue up. Alright, you'll get me. You'll kind of understand what I'm looking at. Right, this clean traffic, right? So when we go to the 2-hour time frame, if we close above this 2-hour resistance, which has been holding, right, on Wednesday and Friday, if we are able to close above it, then we should be good to go above, right? So that's what I'm looking for. Let's just put it right in the center. Resistance from last Wednesday and Friday. Alright, so that's what we're waiting to see, a closure above. Okay, it looks like it's about to happen. So the thing with this is London volume can just continue pushing it up. So let's just wait. So on EJ now, we'd be more cautious and careful, because right, we're looking at this price is gonna be closing as a 2-hour support rather than breaking the previous 2-hour low, right? So I've just closed that sell stop I had. As we come closer to the time, we can decide better. So then I'm gonna wait for London to open and I'll take it on the flip. Whatever happens, I'll take it on the flip. The next 2-hour candle flip. Yeah. We just want to see this 2-hour candle first close, and then we can take whatever we want on the flip. Okay, so gold came and tapped the daily open, right, where we opened this morning at 1925 flat. So we've tapped 1925. The question would be now on gold 30-minute time frame if we can break above 1926. Come on, GJ. Who else is looking at GJ? Alright. Is my voice okay? Wait, let me reduce my volume a little bit. Is my voice fine? So GJ looking for buys. Yep, as of now I'm looking for buys on GJ. But now see, as we start rejecting this level, I'm no longer looking for buys. These Euro JPY sells may work out even better than those buys. Alright, so looking at the 15-minute time frame, right? As we start approaching this area, I will put my sell stop back there. Yeah. Sell stop. 10 pip stop loss. So I have my sell stop at 400 and my auto BE trigger will be around 5 pips. So there you go. Alright, Euro JPY crossing. Alright. Right over here, 400. Yeah, 400 is my entry. I got a 10 pip stop. On Euro JPY, we're gonna wait to see if we can close below this level and continue. There you go. 1:1, a nice neat one. I'm gonna put partial TP at 10 pips to close 70% set. Alright, there you go. You see my partial TP right over there. So this trade looks pretty good. I'm actually happy with the entry we got. I'm running a 1.2 lot, and so yeah, I'm expecting London to continue down. We're at 400, right? Yeah. Let's go. Let's show us price. There you go, 1 pip in profits. Let's see if we can push this down. Let's see if we can make it happen. EJ is usually pretty promising at London Open. Minus 1 pip. So we're waiting for it to close below this level in 2 minutes time. So if this candle closes above this support, right, which we marked, then I'll be out of this trade. As of now, the 30-minute looks really good to continue down. What's up? We're still working on it, Kishore. Like last time we showed you. Praise Mupani. Hi, good morning. What's good? What's goody? Yep, we're currently in EJ short. We're currently in EJ shorts, running in about 1 pip profits. Expecting price to continue down. One and a half pip profits. I'm actually pretty happy with this entry. I'm not even gonna lie. I really like it. But yeah, let's see. If price comes up and closes above this level, I will close half my position and I'll let it run. Alright, what are we talking about? Alright, so we're 2.5 pips up in profits. Let's hold. Ta-da. 400. So now we can look at how we can reduce our risk in this trade. Okay, so whether we're gonna bring our stops down to around 5 pips to reduce the risk. So yep, that's what I'm going to do, because I don't want that London manipulation, right? So I don't want that London manipulation. Let's see how. Is this London Open? Yep, this is London Open. We should have a nice move down. And so I want to see it respect this high. Right, I don't want it to break the previous 5-minute high. I want to see London drive price down. So let's see London drive price down. So did we close the 30 minutes respecting or not? Alright, I'm still in this. I'm right here. I'm gonna use, if we start breaking down, I'm gonna use the current candle high as my stop loss and allow price to continue down. So depending on how price action wants to react to this region right over here, you see. So now if price drives up, I'm fine with getting out of this trade. And there you go, we're out of this trade right now. So could we give it a second chance? Depending on how price starts flipping now. So I would wait for, so this is the 2-hour candle. 390. All right. All right, so that's plainly based off the candle flip. All right, expecting price to continue down. You exited trade? Yes, I exited one position. So yeah, London manipulation. Be careful, guys. London loves to manipulate. So yeah. So London pulled up, and London should now continue down. Alright, that's my position on the 2-hour flip. Where was it? 397. So you can see it was little lower of a position at the flip using the current candle high, and now since we've broken the previous 2-hour low, I'm expecting it to continue, so my stops are at break even right now. You can see I have no problem with it coming back, but my stops are at break even. I will not let it take my commission also. So it's in 0.4 pips. You can see 4 points, right? So I have no problem with this trade anymore. I'll just hold it and see where it goes. The expectation is for price to continue down to these levels. Let's see, have I got stopped out? We're not yet out of this. And we're out. So now you can see I'm out of this trade. I'm not getting back in it. I'm taking my MFF challenge starting today. Let's go. Let's go, praise. I'm completely out of this trade. So that's it. That's a break-even EJ sell, attempt at the sell, right? So we were expecting this next 2-hour candle to continue driving down to these lows. Euro is strong, yeah. So that's why we clearly called it out here, risky sells, right? At 430 was the risky sells, and below this level over here is the safe sells, is what we're looking at, right? This was previously held by London session, New York session, New York Stock Exchange session, and everything. Yeah, but look at this. Price is wandering over here. We're not getting that clean volume. So, I don't know, maybe we'll get clean volume as the session continues. Mhm. Oh man, look at that. Price is now continuing. Would we have hit the TP? So the TP is down there. Let's see if we smash TP. All I know is if you're in this trade now, you should be at break even. If you were in this trade by now, you should be at break even. GBP JPY, waiting for this 45-minute closure at least, this rejection. Gold closed above this level and is continuing. Solid closure on gold, not gonna lie. Look at this closure, continuation. It's up about 20 pips. But this was a good closure. That's really good. Oh, EJ dropped to our 10 pip TP. And EJ is continuing to drop. Let's see if we can reach 20 pips. The analysis on EJ on point. That's just a little bit frustrating, but yeah. Oh man, EJ dropped right to the bottom of this range. Right to the bottom of the range. What are we talking about? $15 pip banger. That was a EJ call. That EJ trade was called out right over here. Come on guys, there's 27 of you. Drop a like on the stream. We broke down that EJ trade right from the top. We broke it down right from the top. Alright guys, whoever's there, the 26 or 27 of y'all, put it down in the comments and say, tell me where are you trading from, where are you guys from, and what are you all trading today. Gypsy?
Yeah.
You caught EJ?
Stopped out. Breaking.
Okay, please. But look at that drop, man. So clean.
Yeah, dude. Same as we discussed. No, to stop us out and then
So what we're gonna start doing is holding. We're just gonna start holding 10 pip stops. Alright. Unless something obvious is shown to us, we're just gonna hold 10 pip stops on whatever currency pair we're trading. But otherwise that was precise, calling out the 2-hour low, break of the 2-hour low to continue down. We were supposed to get into positions from 400. And yeah, that would have been 15 pips easy. Right at this low. So yeah, that's how it works, point to point trading. Point to point trading. Man, that was such a good trade. I wish it didn't stop us out, but yeah. Gold moved up really well. The only problem with gold right now is, like, what do we do? Look at these ranges. What do we do? Where do we stop? What's it gonna do? You know? Gold is just in its own zone. Gypsy, are you done with your meeting?
No, not yet.
Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna see if I can take the next set of EJ cells once we close below this level. Right over here. Gold, I really don't see much happening on gold. GJ is possible if we start coming down below these levels. So we'll hold it on EJ. Another 15 minutes for this candle. That is frustrating, but yeah. Okay, this is very frustrating, but it's fine. Have we broken the previous 4-hour low? Yep. We need the 30-minute closure below. Gold calls on point. Yep. The gold calls were actually on point. We should have probably after this massive rejection, we could have taken an impulse entry on the break of this high with 20 pip stops to continue off. But yeah, those gold calls were absolutely smacking on point. Absolutely on point. Alright guys, give me a second. I'm just gonna leave my charts up here. I'm just gonna get something to eat and come back. We'll just wait and see how this EJ calls play out. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. What is up? We're still waiting and hoping for this GJ resistance to break. Euro JPY, it came down solidly. Mirza, blessings, thank you man. You too, you too. Have a blessed week. Alright, what can we expect? I think now since we've broken below this support, okay, the confirmation that we've broken below this support would be a 1 hour closure. 1 hour closure below this level. So we're gonna wait for that 1 hour closure. Yeah, the 1 hour closure is the cleanest one. So we're just gonna wait. See, 30-minute also no bottom wick, which is very interesting. What is gold doing? Gold pushed up very well. So yeah. Christy, what is good? Were you able to catch any trades?
Hey Sam.
How are you doing,
How are
Christy?
you? I'm okay. I was able to get 15 pips on the EJs. So
Damn. Crazy.
yeah. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, I exited that trade.
Because of your stop loss. Your stop loss was lower.
Yeah, I think it was a little too tight, eh?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
But it's good to be safe.
That is true. But I think that was a little too safe. So yeah.
Yeah. Lesson for next time.
Yeah, this is just another lesson. So did you risk 1% or what was the trade you took?
I risked 1%.
Oh, beautiful. So that's like $150 buying. Let's go. Christy. It's a very good Monday morning. Let's go, Christy. Fantastic work. Oh, this is Wanda. Yeah, it's alright. Alright, GJ still holding this 1 hour level of resistance. Thank you, Tess Shrin, for the subscription. Thank you. So EJ is very interesting at the moment. It went up straight with no bottom wick. And I think that's the same thing on GJ if I'm not mistaken. Bangers. So out of 24 votes, 92% of y'all voted banger and 8% voted meh boring session. Let's go. Let's see what's good. Alright, GJ might give us a buy. Yep, we're waiting on GJ for that buy. If we close above 161,100. GJ is now moving back up. So yeah, we were in the right direction of the trade. We were a little too cautious. We paid the price. It's okay. And the price is just a break-even trade, so don't worry about it. Euro JPY, right now I'm not seeing really much happening on it. We might have a big rejection from the downside, right? So we could possibly have to wait to see what happens. And GJ, we're still waiting for it to come up a little further, right to that 100 level, 161, 100. Right now we're just playing around 161 flat. James, are you looking for anything? Any potential possible trades? So now we're going to wait for this 1 hour closure below this level. $15-minute candle has a big rejection, which we can possibly see. If we can take the rejection, so this 45-minute candle flip could be a small trade, right, in expectation for this 1 hour to come and close down here. Let's see, can EJ continue down? I think GJ is about to continue down. Yep. So at the flip, this trade can be taken. Let's see how plausible it is. So we'd have to break this low and break the next low to continue down. Or you can just wait for a 1 hour closure. The 1 hour's got to close. Anyway, there's this 196. So if you wait for this 50-minute to close, that'll be the 1 hour closure. So if the 50-minute closes somewhere down here, you know where it's headed. You know where it's going. I'll just suggest take some stops. Alright, I've removed everything. I'm just waiting. You can see those are the two we took in the morning on EJ. One hour still hasn't closed. We have 8 more minutes. It's a 30-minute candle, right? On TradingView, the 30-minute candle has already flipped bearish. So you're just waiting. Alright, come on guys. What are we talking about? What are we looking at? If EJ closes below this 1 hour support, we can really look at some good trades. As long as we close up here, we most likely will continue on. What are you all looking for? Put it down in the chat. 21 of y'all, please do like the stream and put it down in the chat. What y'all are looking for? I think we're gonna be sitting here for a while. Mm-mm. Come on, darling sister, let's move. Mm-mm. Alright. Jay, come on, move. Look at EJ moving back up. Hopefully GJ continues pushing. 30-minute close in 2 minutes. Look who we have. What's up, Shaker? Welcome back to our YouTube chat. How is Ade? Ade is pretty good. We had a good EJ sell, but we got stopped out of break even and then it dropped quite a bit. That was just us being overcautious, so we chose to risk manage real debt here. That's good. 1 minute left in this GJ trade. The resistance from Asian on Friday in New York, and today's London session open. Alright. EJ Wana is closing back above this level, so there's no trade over here. We were waiting for the clean cells, the safe cells, right, below this level to capture this target range, but we couldn't, because you can see Wana closed back into the range. So now the next hope is the next 1 hour to come and close below, which will make the 2 hour also close below. But we're gonna do that based off of what it shows us. Come on, man, shake it. You know I didn't ban you. Alright, GJ, we'll wait for the close above 161,100. Let's wait for that. That should give us better confirmations on buys. And EJ, if the 1 hour closes below the next 1 hour. Yo, Shaker, if you have anything to say, you can DM me, bro. You don't have to put it in the chat. That's because you were just talking so much, man. But yeah, as you know, it was all jokes because I didn't. So EJ, when we break this previous low, can continue down. 45-minute time frame came down. Will we break below? I am not sure because look at this 1 hour candle, right? Barely any top wick. So with barely any top wick, do you actually think it's going to continue down, right? So this could be one of these wicks, these big wicks. It could just be one of those massive big wicks. Gold, Mr. Trooper, gold is just in a very weary place, to be honest. Gold, it looked really good, but this is only on the 4 hour time frame. You see, we're coming up to this 4 hour resistance right over here. So I don't know, gold is just in a weary place. It's not like, you remember like when we have these clean ranges, what nice clean trades we could take. So that's why I'm just waiting for it to move out of here, or at least like, okay, so at least if gold like creates nice clean candles going up, then I'm saying like I'll look at clean moves back down, clean corrections. EJ moving down. EJ should actually continue. Yeah, that's too big. There would have been a 15 pip stop loss. So I don't think I would have gotten into that. But this could continue. This could very well continue really far down. Especially on the 45-minute time frame where that is concerned, right? You break below these lows and you have this clean candle structure coming to the left. Right? So to fill in this range, that should be pretty simple. Let's see. GJ big rejection, EJ kind of rejection. Ten minutes left in EJ. Yeah, gold is stuck in a big range. Just look at that. We're just ranging in between over here. We could get a move once we break above 1945, or we can get a move once we break below 1920, 1917. No, right? EJ rejecting. Could there be a deeper level on EJ that we're not seeing? Let's see how this plays out. Bhagan, what's up, yo? Let's see this. Once this 4-hour closes on EJ, that will be ideal. The next 4-hour should just drive down to fill in this target range to break that. GJ is stuck in a range. So the good thing is we were able to find ourselves on the right side of the trade. So that's really good. So as we found out we were on the right side of the trade, we can easily be able to catch better trades in the next time. What's up, Samita? How's it going? We'll wait for this 45-minute closure as we close back in the range. Yeah, most likely to continue back up. Ooh, Marco, thank you for the sub, Marco Rosa. Alright, let's take a look at it. GJ 45-minute if we come up and close, but there's only 1 minute left. Euro JPY, we're closing back into the range. Could we continue back up? Gold is in no man's land, to be honest. And those are the only 3 pairs I look at. Saltito. Yo, we're all trying to figure out, man. Yo, the 22 of y'all, I hope y'all all have, 23 of y'all, I hope y'all have slapped that like button. Come on, slap it. Go ahead. I give you 1 minute. 1 minute to go and slap the like button. Quickly. Y'all have 1 minute to go and slap that like button. Come on guys, let's get those likes up to at least 20 likes. At least 20. And also don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. EJ 15-minute wait fill, what do you think? The thing is, you know, I think it's possible, okay? I think it's possible. But when we look at this time, like, look at the 1 hour, okay? Barely any top wick. Can you see that? Barely any top wick. And look at the 45-minute. It closed where it doesn't really show that we've broken out. Right? So I'd say just be really careful of that. I personally wouldn't take that. I personally wouldn't take EJ 15-minute wick fill, because at least wait for this 30-minute to close down here below the support. Don't jump the gun prematurely, you know. Alright, GJ coming down. 1 hour, where did we close? The 1 hour is not yet closed. 30-minute, where do we close? We're just in big ranges, guys, to be honest. We're just stuck in ranges on ranges. Look at gold. Look at what could we expect from this? This is no clean traffic whatsoever. There's nothing to fill in, there's nothing to move through, you know. So I'm just saying, be careful and cautious with the trades you take, you know, because you don't want to take blind trades. Your psychology will get messed up if you start taking those risky trades. Come on, if you want, send in a chart. If you want, yeah. Gypsy?
What up?
Taking anything?
No, man, just waiting.
Just waiting and watching?
Yeah, after that, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, that EJ was a good 20 pip move, right? Such a neat move. Literally 30 pips almost.
Pips, yes.
That was
But
so.
I would have closed, right?
Yeah, when we closed at the support, I would have closed the trade. But yeah, it's alright. It's alright. The important thing is whether our analysis is on point or not.
That is on point. Execution, no. That's it. We're gonna hold some good stop losses. No.
Yeah.
5 pips at least. Break even trigger will be 3 pips.
No, but see, Euro JPY,
Yeah.
it came back 5 pips. So the important thing was holding that stop loss at the previous high, right? Where we intended to hold it, right? It was on the 15 minute, yeah, 15 minute time frame.
Current candle I would have held it off.
No, the current candle came up, right? That wasn't a move. Yeah. So just held it at, even if it just held it at 10 pips, your normal stop loss, you would have been in it and it would have gone down, whatever, 30 pips. That's what I'm noticing. All our trades and all our calls are more than 10 pips, okay? And it moves in the exact desired direction. It's just that when you're too cautious, you lose the trade.
It's fine, though. We didn't lose. No. It's fine.
Yeah. The good thing about it is the analysis was on point. So now the next thing what we need to match up with that is the execution should be on point. So yeah. Come on guys, there's 30 of us over here. Slap that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. GJ is moving very slow for us. We're still looking for an early closure or a 30-minute closure above 161,100 is what we spoke about. And EJ, we took sells down here once we broke below. But yeah, I messed it up by bringing my stop to break even too soon, and I was stopped out at break even. But it did continue down. The W in chat is the analysis. So it's all about the analysis. So if your analysis was right, you're winning, right? So that's what we've been talking about. That's what we've been looking at. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope no one's over trading and over risking on a Monday morning. It's just a Monday morning. Chill pills. No point in forcing any trades. The more you force a trade, the more likely you are to like mess that trade up. Right?
Yeah, I learned that the
Do
hard
you
way.
give EJ a second chance? Yeah, I did give it a second chance, but again, like, we brought our break even figure too soon. And as you can see, right, where is it? EJ kept breaking the low and coming back up, kept breaking the low and coming back up. So that's it. What were you saying, Gypsy?
Oh, nothing. Forcing trade, I learned the hard way.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I learned forcing trade real hard way on GJ. I'll tell you what, it was somewhere last year, and it literally looked like this. Okay, yeah, it literally looked like this, and I was taking trades here and breaking the low here, and everything. I was doing everything possible. But once we've moved on to the higher time frame analysis, you just get so much stronger as a trader, and then as a technical analyst you get really strong if you're able to do higher time frame analysis. Like EJ, we called out that 2-hour low and everything, right?
Yeah.
The break of the 2-hour low, that was so perfect. That was one of the most perfect calls we've done, like, for this week. So that was beautiful. So we should just hold our stop losses where they need to be held. If, like, we had a 15-minute candle close or something like that bullish, then we could have risk managed and started closing half or whatever. But over here we didn't really need a reason to do any of that, we didn't have a reason to do any of that. So yeah,
We're back.
yeah. So yeah, so that's what I personally think. What trades have you guys taken today? I saw Stop Loss Matters take a GJ buy over here, if I'm not mistaken. Right over here. Yeah, for me, I just wouldn't take an impulse entry where candles haven't closed above. So yeah. But yeah, it's fine. That's no problem. I've taken loads of trades like those, in the past. Gold, we were waiting to buy it above this level. We were waiting for a small closure so we can take it up to here, but then it left us and it continued. We could have taken it on the 45-minute closure expecting volume at London Open, but we didn't, yeah. Saltito. Okay, you haven't taken any trades. Come on guys, 30 of you all, let's make the chat a little more interactive. What's popping off? Where y'all from? What's good? We need 3 more likes to reach 20. What's your trading styles? Well, let's put your trading styles in the chat. Are you SMC or are you price action traders? Do you all want me to look at any pair? You all can ask me to explain anything, Good morning, Mohammed. And guys, right now we are doing a banger squad, bangers only squad. This is the monthly subscription we have at DC Trading and Company. We live trade all sessions. We have the bangers only squad community that's on the Discord server. We have the exclusive live voice channel, so that's for every live session. We have weekly webinars based on the questions people ask. We have live trades called out, access to live mentorship. So if you want to talk to me one-on-one and if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, we can do it. live weekly backtesting, pre-market breakdowns and analysis for all sessions. So I send an analysis for all sessions on GJ, EJ and gold. So yeah, that's the bangers only squad. Pre-market breakdowns, weekly backtesting. Like yesterday, Gypsy and I were doing some backtesting together in the middle of the night. So it's all about that, you know, focusing on precise trading. We need GJ to break above this. We can set an alert right over here. Open ended. So when GJ hits this level, we'll hear the alarm go off. Everything looks pretty ugly, to be honest. Gold 30-minute time frame. Would you take a buy once we broke this 30-minute resistance to fill in this range? Who would take a buy over there? You know, I just wouldn't take the buy over there. So yeah, I'm not seeing any potential trades at the moment. So I'm gonna call this stream over here. We're gonna wait till we see price do something interesting, and we're gonna take it easy from here. Alright. So alright guys, if y'all wanna join the Discord server where we have our free channel, right? And we also have started a new Telegram if that's what you use, and you can follow me on Instagram if you want to talk to me and DM me and make things work. And so that is it. And if you want to head to our website, I've also put that in the chat. Feel free to visit us, but until then, trade safe, trade smart, don't overtrade, don't over risk. You get only one chance at this, you know, every single day. So choose to give yourself confidence, choose to be more confident. Until then, I'm gonna see you guys in the New York session. I will be on Discord in the New York session with the bangers only squad. So I will see you guys tomorrow at London. So take care guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, but don't overtrade, don't over risk. It's a Monday morning, don't give your money away.